What if I told you there's a strategy to actually market your repair shop, get new quality customers into your shop, and not have to pay for it until it actually happens? Buckle up, because I'm going to explain it all to you right now. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. Oh, and my car. Just heading back from an appointment and wanted to do this video because of a call I had with one of the people that contacted me through Ask the Car Count Fixer. We talked about this real briefly, and I said to him, what if I could put cars in your shop and actually not have to pay for anything? Like, you know, think about it this way. If you do a postcard program, you've got to actually pay for the postcards, you got to pay the postage, you got to pay for all that up front, and you don't know what's going to happen. What if I showed you a program that actually puts customers in your shop and you check the job, you know, you provide the quote, you confirm the job and do the job, get paid for it, and only then do you actually have to pay for that job? Think about it. It's like, it's pay to play, but it's pay after the job's in. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Profits Customer Referral Program. Look, this is a way for you to actually get good quality customers, because it's your customers that are referring their friends, co-workers, and associates. When that car comes in your shop, you inspect the car, you provide the quote, you do everything that you're supposed to do, and then when you get paid, that's when you pay for that job. In other words, that's when you pay for the referral and all that good stuff. If you want all the details on how to do this, I unleash the entire Profits Customer Referral Program in my new training course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days Without Wasting Your Hard-Earned Dollars on that money-sucking advertising. Go ahead and do that now. In the meantime, hit that subscriber button and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified first as soon as I release that course. Take care. Talk soon. Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video.